Hello everyone, you're watching PC Helper and welcome to another video in the Python 3.9 tutorial series. If by the end of this video you feel like you have learned something today, then please leave a like and also don't forget to subscribe to PC Helper for regular content. So in this video we'll be talking about tuples in Python. So let's first of all open our PyCharm. And the only difference between a tuple and a list is that a list is mutable whereas a tuple is not. Mutable means that we can change the value of an item of a list once we have assigned it. But in a tuple, if we have assigned a value to an item, we cannot change its value after that. So let's see how it works. So let's name our tuple tup. And if we want to make a list, we use square brackets. But if we want to make a tuple, we use round brackets. So simply put items inside it. So let's name it 55, 88, 99, 65 and 44. So this is our tuple. So let's try to print it now. Print up and running the program. So this is our tuple 55, 88, 99, 65 and 44. Now let's see how indexing works in tuple. It is same as it works in a list. So we can just simply, if we want to access the second character here, we have to start square brackets and write it inside it. So inside square bracket, we have to write the index that we want to print and let's see if it works or not. So here it is, 99 is the second character as indexing starts from 0, 0, 1, 2. So indexing is also same as the list. And now let's come to the main difference between list and a tuple. So as I just told you, a tuple is not mutable. So let's check. So write the name of your tuple and let's change the value of the second character equal to let's say 67. And now let's print it. Print tup. Oh, that's now it works. Print tup and second character. And let's run this program. Let's see if it works. So here as you can see, there's a type error named tuple object does not support item assignment. That is, a tuple is not mutable. We cannot change the value of the second character once it's assigned in a tuple. But if we had a list instead of a tuple here, let's see if this works or not. It will definitely work. So shift plus F10. And as you can see, the second character here is 67 because we just changed it to 67. So that's the main difference between a list and a tuple. A list is mutable whereas a tuple is not. Let's again see that we will again get an error because now we have changed it to a tuple. And now if we run it, type error tuple object does not support item assignment. So that's the main difference between a tuple and a list. So that's it for this video. In next video, we'll be learning about sets. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.